Hi, this is Brad Aldrich, and this week's topic is resolving title issues. Anyone who owns a piece of property or is thinking about purchasing a piece of property may have come across an issue where there's some type of lien or encumbrance or cloud upon your title that you may need to go to an attorney to have resolved. Aldrich Legal Services specializes in, amongst other things, resolving title disputes. And in the event that you come across some type of title problem, we, as attorneys, the first thing we do is look to see if you have some type of title insurance in place. Because if you do have a title policy, you may be able to make a claim upon that insurance policy, and they will either hire attorneys to take care of the title defect or perhaps pay you out a certain amount of money to cover any damage that you suffer as a result of the title defect. In the event that the title company tries to deny the claim, we can represent the property owner in disputing with the title company whether or not that claim should be honored. And another thing, that if the title company is not, if there is no title insurance in place, then we would look to see if there's an applicable statute of limitations that applies to whatever type of encumbrance you have on your title. In other words, certain liens, whether it's for work that was done on your property or for some type of a mortgage or somebody claiming an interest in your property adverse to your own, if they don't act upon that within a certain period of time, the statute of limitations may apply and wipe out that interest. And in the event that it cannot be resolved short of litigation, then we can step in and actually file suit in the circuit court of whatever county the property is in, and you're seeking a remedy, which is equitable in nature, to have that title issue, the title defect, taken care of. So in other words, you can file a suit to quiet title in your name, where you're asking the court to determine that you have a fee simple title superior to any other interest out there. You can seek to have liens removed. You can also sue to get money damages from somebody that you feel improperly put a lien on your property. In other words, that's called slander of title. In other words, by them putting some type of improper lien or lis pendens, some other type of recording against your property, you can say that you have been harmed by the fact that you didn't have free and clear title, so you couldn't go out and refinance, you couldn't go out and sell the property. Also, if there are co-owners of a piece of property, either as individuals, meaning joint tenants or tenants in common, or if a business, a company, owns a piece of property and there's multiple owners, at some point in time those multiple owners may want to sell that property. Now, one person may want to sell and the other may not, at which point then the one that wants to sell can file a suit using an attorney again and filing suit in the circuit court to partition the property. And this means that you're getting the court to order that the property be sold, and in that case you would have an appraisal done to determine the value, and then any net proceeds from the sale will be divided up pursuant to whatever either the bylaws of the company or the operating agreement of the company says, or if there's nothing in writing, then it would just be simply 50-50. There may be some separate agreement that sets out who's to get what, but the point is that as a property owner, if you own it with somebody else, you're not stuck having to own that property forever or until both sides agree to sell. You can file a suit to partition the property. This is kind of a brief highlight of some of the various issues that could pop up when you are looking to either purchase a property and there may be title problems, or if you already own a property and some title defects arise. Please, if you have any more questions, visit our website at aldrichlegalservices.com or contact our office directly for a free consultation.